Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chemical Engineering Knowledge. In this lecture we will discuss about the shell and tube heat exchanger. The shell and tube heat exchanger. So, shell and tube heat exchanger are extensively used in the process and chemical industries. These are used for the large application. Shell and tube heat exchanger are usually used to heat one fluid and cold another fluid. So, the heat is transferring from hot fluid to the cold fluid. The temperature of the cold fluid increases with the passage of time, and the temperature of the hot fluid decreases with the passage of time in the shell and tube heat exchanger. So these are used on large scale in chemical and process industry. So this is a simple shell and tube heat exchanger. The shell and tube heat exchanger consists of tubes. These are the tubes. These red one. These are the tubes. These are the tubes. The red one. These are the tubes, and this is the shell. This one is the shell. So it consists of shells and tubes, various number of tubes, and one shell. So the fluid is entering. This is the liquid. The liquid is entering. Usually the liquid is entering from one side, and the liquid is ended. This is the liquid ended side. The liquid is ended from this side. It is accumulated in this side. So this is the head of the heat exchanger. This is the head of the shell and tube heat exchanger. Similarly, this is also the head of shell and tube heat exchanger. So the head of the this is head number one of the shell and tube heat exchanger, and this is the head number 2 of shell and tube heat exchanger. So the liquid is entering from this side. It accumulates in this place, and after that the liquid entering through the tube. These are the tubes. So the liquid are entering through the tube. These are the tubes. Liquid is flowing through the tube. At the same time the hot fluid or the steam is entering from the top side. It passes through the tube. It passes through the tube. It passes outside the tube. So it passes outside the tube. These are outside of the tubes. It passes outside the tubes in these places, and at last it become cool and come out from the bottom of the heat exchanger. So in this case, the hot steam entering to the shell side, it become heated as it blowing across the tube. So these are the tube. These are the cold fluid. These are the cold fluid. These are the cold fluid, and this is the hot fluid. So this is the hot fluid. So this is the hot steam. It entering from the top as it passes across the tubes. It will give its heat to the cold fluid. The cold fluid will become heated, and it will come out from the tube side. To this head number 2. After that, the cold liquid which have gained heat from this steam, this liquid will come out from the liquid outlet side of the shell and tube heat exchanger. So a simple the procedure is first of all the liquid come from this side. It accumulate in this place. Then it enter through the tube. At the same time, the hot gas or the hot fluid come from the top. It come into contact with the cold liquid which is flowing in the tube side, and the steam was flowing in the shell side. The steam give its heat to the liquid. The liquid become heated, and the steam become cold and come out from the exchanger at this side. So this is the inlet of the steam. This is outlet of the steam. This is the cold steam. So cold steam or steam which have low temperature. Cold steam or condensed steam or condenser. and this is the cold liquid, and this is the hot liquid. This is the hot liquid whose temperature is increased, and this vent is used for non-condensable gases. If some non-condensable gases are present in the steam, then it will come out from the vent. It will come out through the vent. So this is the shell and tube heat exchanger. Now there are various types of shell and tube heat exchanger. One is the 1-2 shell and tube heat exchanger. 1-2 shell and tube heat exchanger. Now what is the meaning of 1-2 shell and tube heat exchanger? It means that one passes will be present in the shell side, and 2 passes for the fluid will present in the tube side. So this is the again this is the 1, this is the 1-2, this one is the 1-2 shell and tube heat exchanger. So this is the hot fluid or steam entering from the shell side, it flowing and it come out from the shell. Now this is the cold liquid. The cold liquid is flowing through the tube, it will come out to this direction, then it will come out from the tube. So is the liquid and the liquid and gas come into contact with each other, this hot steam will give its heat to the cold liquid. Its heat to the cold liquid. So the temperature of the cold liquid will become increased, and the temperature of the hot steam will become decreased, and it will come out from the bottom of the heat exchanger, and the temperature of the cold liquid will increased is it come out from the side of the heat exchanger. So in this case there is one pass for the shell side flow. So this is the one side. So there is one pass for the steam which are flowing through the shell. So there is one pass for the fluid which are flowing through the shell of the shell and tube heat exchanger, and there are 2 passes. One is this is one pass, and this is another pass. So there are 2 passes for the flow which are flowing in the tube. So the one pass is, there are 2 passes for the fluid which are flowing in the tube. So one pass is denoted by this up to this position. This is one pass, this up to this position from this side, and the other pass is this upper. This one is another pass. So 1 plus 1. So there are 2 passes in the tube. So this is heat exchanger is called 1-2 shell and tube heat exchanger. One pass for flow is present for the hot stream, and 2 passes of fluid will be present for the cold stream or cold liquid which are flowing in the tube. So the 2 passes for the tube is like this. This is 1 and this is the 2. So this is one pass and this is another pass. So 1 plus 1, 2 passes. And for the shell, this is one pass, only one pass for the steam. So this is the 1-2 shell and tube heat exchanger. Another type of shell and tube heat exchanger is called the 2-4 shell and tube heat exchanger. So 2 passes will be present for the shell side and 4 passes will be present for the tube side. So again, this is the inlet liquid. This is one pass. This is the second pass. This is the third pass, and this is the 4th pass of the fluid which are flowing in the tube. So this red one is the tube. This type tube. This is the tube. So, and there are 2 passes for the shell side. So the hot steam entering to the shell flow in this direction. This is one pass. To this is one pass, and this is another pass. So this is outlet. This is the outlet steam or condensed steam. So this is the V outlet. V outlet. So this is the V outlet. Now there are two. So this is called the 2-4 shell and tube heat exchanger. 2 passes will be present for the shell side. This is the one pass up to this position, and this is another pass. From this point up to this point there is one pass. From the upper side to this position there is one pass, and below this point there is another pass. So there are two passes for the fill side, and there are four passes for the tube side. As we already discussed, this is one pass, this is another pass, this is another third, and this is the fourth pass, pass number 4. So this is called the 2-4 fill and tube heat exchanger. There can be various type of fill and tube heat exchanger like 1-4 fill and tube heat exchanger, 2-4 fill and tube heat exchanger, 4-6 fill and tube heat exchanger. So there are various type of fill and tube heat exchanger. These are usually made from the stainless steel or iron. So these heat exchanger cannot be used for the air space application or aircraft application because their weight are very heavy. So for aircraft we can use the compact heat exchanger. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much.